Welcome back to Goathead'skitchen, ladies and gentlemen. Do remember, like, share, subscribe. Do the right thing. Up top. Yeah. So in our kitchen today, we have mash up some brown stewed chicken, Jamaican style. See? We have a carrot, we have a tomato, we have a sweet pepper, and we have a garlic over here, so with ginger, scallion, thyme. Last but not least, what is onion? That's the thing there. Alright, we are introduced a brownie now. Big Bad Eve Browning. Listen to me, what I say? Big Bad Eve Browning. Hold them. Seasoning my chicken already. Seasoning my browning. You know the thing, alright? Forward over here, sir, right now. Light up the fire. You know there's something going on. Yeah, so you make your pot oil. Chew in your oil. You don't want too much oil, because remember in the oil we are deal with. Don't. We are deal with food, chicken. So we don't want to put too much oil in the thing, right? So just make that go on hot. Hungry man hungry right now, man. I cook a pot. You know the something go. We are do the right thing. So what we do? Chew a piece of pepper in there to make sure that the oil is the right temperature. You see that? So what we go do, we go extract some flavor out of the ginger, the garlic, and the scotch bonnet pepper. We don't want too much pepper. So we extract the flavor out of this. And you gonna know when to drop in the chicken, because you know the thing, right? So we have a seasoned brown stewed chicken, seasoned with Eve browning, right? Take your time, throw that in your pot. To watch the oil flashing and them things, you know? So we go saute the chicken. We saute the chicken with the garlic, the pepper, and the ginger. Ultimate brown stewed chicken, remember that, yeah. So what we do, we cover this for 10 minutes on a medium flame. 10 minutes on a medium flame, right? Check back on your chicken. So as I said guys, 10 minutes, right? Perfect. First you add your carrot. Reason being, remember the carrot take a while to cook, right? Then, tomato. You want to extract them flavor as soon as possible. Bell pepper. Then, onion. Ultimate scallion and thyme for flavor all the time. Cool? And we stir this in. So we go just throw like a 1 cup of boiling water in. And I said before, leave it for about 20 minutes, cover, right? So yeah, leave it for 20 minutes, cover. Yo, so far. So back, 20 minutes time. Brown stewed chicken is ready. Turn your stove off. Straight out of Goathead'skitchen. You know what to do. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. Plating time. Plating time. Brown stewed chicken way. You understand? Serve it with some Johnny cake. You know that Johnny cake something are going on. No one no 2 dumpling. So we just do it the Jamaican way, you see me? 4 dumpling. That's it for today. This is how you prepare brown stewed chicken along with my friend here, Eve. Continue to watching, like, subscribe, share. I'm out. Do the right thing. Cool?